Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is this? Yo-yo. Oh, what a nice yellow yo-yo. 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 I like to play with yo-yo. What is this? Yogurt. Yogurt. You should eat yogurt in the breakfast. Yogurt. What is this? Yacht. 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 Yo-yo. What is the initial sound of yo-yo? Yo-yo. Yogurt. What is the initial sound of yogurt? Yogurt. Yacht. What is the initial sound of the yacht? Yacht. Now let's try to learn how to write y sound. Bismillah. Go down, curve, up, go down, curve. Now please write in the center and make it with Play-Doh. Have fun. Now we have to identify the pictures that start with y sound. Yacht. Yes. It starts with y sound. Orange, no. Ball, no. Ink, no. Yo-yo, yes it is. Now please match yacht and yo-yo with the y sound. See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.